Welcome. This question from trigonometry. Find the least value of cos square theta minus 6 sin theta cos theta plus 3 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta. Draw a line for explanation. See, here is three terms involving either sine or cos. In the case of trigonometry, to find the least or greatest value, used this formula. S is equal to 1. So we have to make these three terms into a single term like sin theta or cos theta. So to do that, we have to use the trigonometrical formula. What formula should we use? Look at the terms cos square theta, sin square theta and sin theta cos theta. We know there are the formulas 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. See, we have made in terms of cos 2 theta. Similar formula in case of sine and 2 sine theta to theta. So these can be reduced. Here you can write cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, 1 plus by 2. 6 we can break into 2 factors, 3 into 2, 2 sine theta cos theta sine 2 theta. Finally plus 3 sine square theta. Sine square theta means 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 e plus 2 as it is. Now LCM is 2. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 6 sin 2 theta plus 3 minus 3 cos 2 theta plus 2. That is equal to simplify cos 2 theta and minus 3 cos 2 theta. What will be minus 2 cos 2 theta minus 6 sin 2 theta. 1 plus 3 4, 4 by 2 2. So we may write plus 2 plus 2 for these two terms by 2. What will be next? Take out common minus 2. What will be numerator by 2, 2 plus 2 4 minus rearranging and writing 3 2 theta. Now we have to make it as a single term. How to do this? Now this is of the form a sin theta. This is means square first bracketed terms plus In this case, what is done? A is equal to R cos alpha, R sin alpha. Squaring and adding, what we will get? R square sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is equal to A square plus B square, or R is equal to root over A square plus B square, as sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1 from formula, and if we divide this by this, tan alpha is equal to B by A. In this case, what is A is equal to 3, 3 is equal to R cos alpha, 1 is equal to R sin alpha. So R square is equal, or R is equal to over square plus 1 square 10. So last step can be written as, so 3 is equal to R cos alpha, 1 is equal to R sin alpha, R taken out common, minus R means root 10, C means cos alpha, root 10 taken out common, sin 2 theta plus sin alpha plus 4, that is equal to minus root 10. According to compound formula, we can write sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. A means 2 theta, B means alpha. Sin of A plus B 2 theta plus alpha. What is next step? Plus 4 as it is. Now, whatever theta and alpha minus 1 s is equal to sin of equal to 1, or multiplying term by minus root over 10. So minus 1 minus root 10, as per rule equality will be changed as root 10 sin of equal to minus 10, as a less f minus f. Now reversing this, minus root 10 equal to minus root sin of 10. Now here is 4. So adding to each term 4, 10, 10, 'So from last in equation. Value of this equation, this expression 4 minus root 10. So last equation of what is cos square minus 6 sin theta. So is 10. Thank you for watching.